Well, everybody, right after I did the video of my grandparents' heater, we're gonna do a startup of our heater. So go ahead, Dad. And it clicked, so here we go. And now in this one, it does the fan first. Here we go. I just heard a click, and then the fan, and the flames are just starting to come on. There you go. And after a little while, the flames, when the thermostat moves a little bit, like the numbers move, the flames will stop moving. The flames will stop running, but the fan will run for a couple more minutes. So when the temperature goes down, the flames will stop running, but the fan will keep going for a little while, like a couple more minutes. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching.